Hey everybody! In today's video, we are going to show you how we can change the country or region on Amazon Prime Video so that we can watch content from any location. So let's just get started. So we can head over to Amazon.com. For that, you do not need the official app. You can directly go to Amazon.com. And if you're not logged in, you can log in with your account. So if you follow up this method, this will change your Prime Video region permanently, but note that your payment methods and store will also change. So if you're already logged in here, you can just go over and click on the option of accounts and list, this one right here at the top right. And once you select this option of account and list, you can choose your content and devices. So you can just go over and find the option for your content and devices. If you do not find it here, you can select this option right here and select this option of content and devices and head over to that particular page. And within here, you can go to the preferences section in the top menu, select it. And when you go to the preferences menu, you can scroll to the country and region settings. So this one right here. So what you need to do is if you want to change it, you can select this option of change right here. And after you do so, you need to select up your country of residence or residence. So you can just go and add up your address, your new address, your full name in this box right below it, your address line, your city, your state, province, region, your zip code, and your country from where you are trying to change it. And then once it's provided, even provide in your phone number. And after that is provided, you just need to click on this option called update. And once you have updated your region, you need to go to the Amazon Prime Video. You can just go over to Prime Video and you can log in with the same particular account that you used, that you currently changed the region for. And now your region will now match the new country and the new movies and shows will be appearing. If not this, you can even use a VPN, install any of the trusted VPN and change it or connect to the country that you want. And once you open a Prime Video, you should be finding the content being changed to the VPN region, and that is it. So that's it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up to go ahead and change your region for your Amazon Prime Video. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.